Hello, everyone, and welcome to Unit 11. Today we're going to be learning about adverbs. My name is Sarah, and I'm with the Inspire Academy. So let's get started. What is an adverb? We're going to take a look at what an adverb is. We're going to look at adverbs of time and place and degree, frequency and manner. And at the end, we'll list common adverbs. So, what is an adverb? Let's look at this example. She ran. The question is, how did she run? She ran happily and quickly. An adverb is a word that describes and modifies a verb. It describes how, when, where, how often, and in what way the verb is. Adverbs make sentences a lot more interesting. They're descriptive and they give us information. Most adverbs end with ly. That's how you can recognize them. But some adverbs don't end with ly. So let's take a look at adverbs of time. These adverbs tell us when something happened or something is happening or is going to happen in the future. Examples of these adverbs are daily, monthly, yearly, occasionally, today, tomorrow, yesterday, weekly, recently, annually, hourly. And here's some examples of sentences. Lately, she has been winning at chess. We are in a meeting weekly. We had fun yesterday. The words lately, weekly, and yesterday are all adverbs of time. Adverbs of place. These adverbs answer the question where. They tell us about a location where the verb is taking place. The adverbs could be the words in, out, there, here, on, into, above, below, inside, outside, nowhere, everywhere, anywhere. Examples of sentences that contain these adverbs are I can't find my keys anywhere. There are many restaurants over there. I am sitting outside. Adverbs of degree. These adverbs tell us how much to or to what degree something is happening or occurring. Adverbs of degree are simply, so, very, barely, entirely, highly, slightly, totally, enormously, almost, extremely, and fully. Examples of sentences with adverbs of degree are dinner is almost ready. She is very hungry. I have been extremely busy. We barely had enough time. Adverbs of manner. These adverbs answer the question how. It describes how the action is, or was, or will be performed. Examples of adverbs of manner are neatly, quickly, rapidly, annoyingly, generously, patiently, kindly, cruelly, harshly, impatiently, softly, beautifully, angrily, carefully. And some examples of sentences with these adverbs of manners are he ran quickly. She writes the letter carefully. They speak gently to the children. And then there are adverbs of frequency. These adverbs provide details on the frequency that a verb occurs. It is like a measure or a count of the verb's action, of the verb action. Adverbs of frequency include always, sometimes, rarely, seldom, never, ever, every. And examples of sentences that have adverbs of frequency in them are: we go to the beach every weekend. They hardly ever arrive on time. They rarely get invited to parties these days. So let's check your knowledge. Which word is an adverb? So here's the sentence. The nice young girl ran quickly. Is it nice? Is it number 2, young? Or is it number 3, quickly? Question 2. Which word is an adverb? The funny monkey jumped playfully from tree to tree. Is the adverb funny? Is the adverb playfully? Or is the adverb tree? Question 3. Which word is an adverb? There are no fast food restaurants anywhere. Is the adverb anywhere? Is the adverb fast food? Or is the adverb restaurant? Answers. Which word is which word is an adverb? The nice young girl ran quickly. The answer is quickly. Quickly describes the word ran. Ran is the verb. Quickly is the adverb. Question 2. Which word is an adverb? The funny monkey jumped playfully from tree to tree. The answer is playfully. Playfully is an adverb. Playfully describes the word jumped. Which word is an adverb? There are no fast food restaurants anywhere. The answer is the adverb is anywhere. Why? Because anywhere describes where the verb are. There are no fast food restaurants anywhere. So let's do a recap. What is an adverb? It's a word that describes or modifies the verb in a sentence. Adverbs often end in the letters ly, but not always. Lists of adverbs. Adverbs of place: in, out, there, here, on, into, above, below, inside, nowhere, everywhere. Adverbs of time: daily, monthly, yearly, occasionally, today, yesterday, weekly, recently. Adverbs of degree: simply, so, very, barely, entirely, highly, slightly, totally, enormously, almost, extremely, and fully. Adverbs of frequency: always, sometimes, rarely, seldom, never, ever, every. Adverbs of manner: neatly, quickly, rapidly, annoyingly, generously, patiently, kindly, cruelly, harshly, impatiently, softly, and beautifully. So that wraps up our class about adverbs. I hope you will use adverbs in the future to just make your sentences a little more interesting and informative for your readers or for people you're speaking to. Looking forward to meeting to our next meeting. Have a great day.